In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Facebook page to Business Manager step by step. Linking your Facebook page to Meta Business Manager is extremely important if you want to manage ads, assign team members, connect Instagram accounts, and organize your business assets professionally. The process is simple, and in this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to do to connect your page correctly. First, open your web browser and go to the official Meta Business website. Log into the Facebook account that has admin access to the Facebook page you want to connect. Once you're logged in, open your Meta Business Manager dashboard. After entering Business Manager, look toward the left side menu and click on Business Settings. This section is where Meta allows you to manage pages, add accounts, users, permissions, and connected business assets. Inside Business Settings, locate the Accounts section on the left menu. Under Accounts, click on Pages. This will open the page management area where you can add, request access to, or manage Facebook pages connected to your Business Manager account. Next, click the Add button. Meta will display several options including Add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. If you already own the Facebook page, choose Add a page. If the page belongs to another business or client, you may need to choose Request access instead. After selecting Add a page, enter the exact name or URL of the Facebook page you want to connect. Once the page appears, select it and click Add Page to continue. Meta may ask you to confirm your permissions before completing the process. If your Facebook account already has admin access to the page, the connection will usually happen instantly. Once completed, the page will appear inside your Business Manager dashboard under the Pages section. After connecting the page, you can begin assigning permissions to team members, connecting Instagram accounts, creating advertising campaigns, and managing customer messages directly through Meta Business tools. This setup is especially important for businesses, agencies, and advertisers who manage multiple assets inside the Meta ecosystem. It's also a good idea to review page permissions after connecting everything. Make sure the correct people have access levels, such as admin, employee, advertiser, or analyst, depending on their role inside your business. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a Facebook page to Business Manager. Properly organizing your Meta business assets can help improve account management, security, collaboration, and advertising performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Facebook, Meta, and digital marketing tutorials.